is a 10-minute magical moments in the UAE, a personal oasis. As I reflect on my incredible journey in the United Arab Emirates, I'm reminded of breathtaking beaches, captivating places, dazzling fireworks, and unforgettable moments that left an indelible mark on my heart. Serenity by the sea, the pristine shores of Al Mary Beach in Ras Al Khaimah, with its crystal clear waters and powdery white sand, were my haven. Watching the sunset over the Arabian Gulf, feeling the gentle breeze, and listening to the soothing waves created a sense of tranquility. The vibrant beach vibe, water sports, and delicious seafood further enhanced my experience. Cultural wonders. The majestic Sheikh Zayed Mosque in Abu Dhabi left me awestruck. The stunning architecture, intricate designs, and serene atmosphere showcased the country's rich heritage. Fireworks and fanfare. The Ras Al Khaimah New Year's Eve fireworks display at Hilton Ras Al Khaimah Beach Resort was truly mesmerizing. The spectacular show, synchronized with music and lights, illuminated the night sky. The festive atmosphere, coupled with the world's tallest building as a backdrop, created an unforgettable hidden gems. 1. All-in oasis, exploring the ancient irrigation systems, lush greenery, and historic sites. 2. Al Fujairah's beaches, discovering secluded coves, snorkeling, and relaxing in tranquility. 3. Ras Al Khaimah's Jebel G's mountains, hiking, camping, and witnessing breathtaking sunrises. Conclusion. The UAE, with its diverse landscapes, rich culture, and warm hospitality, has become my second home. These cherished moments, breathtaking destinations, and unforgettable experiences will forever hold a special place in my heart. Would you like me to modify or expand this content?